Vocational qualifications are a really important aspect of enabling the staff to be able to do the difficult jobs that they do for us. So they help us to equip staff with anything really from communication skills to the equality and diversity aspects to those critical risk management elements that are so important. Since Wales CRC is formed and we're now more of a private organisation and operate in a business manner, ensuring that we've got skilled, trained staff to undertake the job helps us to achieve ultimately how we're paid, which is payment by results. I think investment in vocational qualifications has made a real difference to us as a business. It's meant that our staff have been happier, they feel invested in, productivity has gone up, and actually the outcomes that we're achieving in terms of reducing reoffending have made the investment in our people absolutely worthwhile.